All right, I want you to take the table and attach it to this door right here. Now the way you're going to do that, you're going to take it from the top, put it right through the door, just like that. Make sure you have strong handles so it doesn't pop off, okay? Most likely it's not going to pop off because the way these bands extend and come back and forth, and it's put in there pretty strong. So go ahead, grab it. It's okay if the door moves a little, no big deal. Put your feet side by side and step forward. Shoulders back and down, elbows up. You want your elbows to line up to the center of your chest, okay? Not the top or the bottom, directly in the center. Okay, so your elbows are lined up with the center of your chest. Make sure when you do it, your hands don't go down or up. Keep it all in line. Shoulders back and down, neck nice and straight, knees are slightly bent, feet are straight, abs are tight. Here we go, triangular motion. Come in and squeeze that chest, okay? Breathe in on the way down. You want to come till your elbow matches your shoulder, right there, 90-degree angle. Then go all the way in. Triangular motion, squeeze that chest. So breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way out. His wrists aren't moving, they're nice and solid and straight. The chest is getting worked nice and hard. It's going to burn when he's done with the set.